my name is Yorelisc and welcome to my beauty space. Today I wanted to give you a little bit of fall glam and I wanted to mix it up with some yellow. And let me tell you something, I actually filmed this last week and I didn't really like the footage. I just didn't like the way the whole vibe went. I just didn't like the whole entire thing. And so I decided to refilm and I'm so happy that I did because I actually like it way more. I really like the way it turned out. I'm so obsessed with like yellow and orange and reds and browns because we're finally in fall. Even though today does not feel like fall at all, it is disgusting outside. It's humid, it's rainy, the sun is like in and out. Right now the sun is out, but who knows within an hour. That's just the life here in New York City. And I definitely have much more fall looks coming for you. And I also have a couple of Halloween looks, but I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm not gonna do like big extravagant things. I have a couple of very easy looks that anyone can do, so I'm definitely gonna have those ready for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and please leave me any comments you have below, share and subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to glow. Bye. Alright guys, let's get started. I'm taking my Kylie Jenner why do I always say that? Kylie Cosmetics concealer, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids, and I'm going to blend that out with my flat brush, and I'm going to create a little wing at the end. I'm also going to set that all with a little bit of translucent powder. Now I'm picking up this Colourpop palette in Yes Please, and I know it looks so crazy because of all the matte shades, but it's perfect for fall. And I'm going to pick up this orangey shade and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. Come on closer, you guys need to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go back and forth into my crease and I'm going to build up the intensity of the shade. Now I'm taking this red brick shade, this is in the color Butter Cake, and I'm really going to intensify the crease because I want it to be really fiery and red and very fall-like. I decided to add a little bit more of the orange shade into the crease just to blend it all out. Now I'm going in with this matte brown shade, and you guys know I love my browns, and I'm going to create a wing. So what I'm going to do is take my brush and I'm just going to go back and forth on the outer V area, and it's okay if you mess up because you could always clean it up with a Q-tip or a makeup wipe, and just take your time with this and just go back and forth on the outer V area. Next, I'm taking my concealer that we used before and I'm just going to clean out the eyelids, and I'm going to follow the same line of the wing. Then I'm picking up my blending brush that we used before to create the wing to make sure that it looks all blended together. Now I'm taking this gel liner from Colourpop, and this is in the color Punch. Whenever I see the word punch, it makes me want to actually punch somebody in the face. So I'm going to basically do the same thing I did with the concealer. I'm just going to follow the same lines. Then I'm going to set it with this matte yellow shade in the palette. This is called French Kiss. I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Taking a little bit of the red shade, I'm just going to clean up the crease a little bit, and then I'm going to pick up my same blending brush and I'm just going to clean up the lids. For lashes, I'm going in with Flutter Lashes in the style Intoxicating, one of my OG favorites. Alright, the look is coming together. I know that sometimes when you're doing your makeup, you're like, oh my god, is this coming out good? What's going on? Why am I blending so damn much? But if you're patient and you see the vision, then it definitely will come together. I'm just applying a little bit of mascara and fixing my lashes to make sure we don't look like clowns. Now I'm going to refresh my skin. I'm going to use a little bit of Max Fix Plus, and how you really hydrate your skin is drinking lots and lots of water. For added hydration, I'm taking this Master Prime from Maybelline and I'm going to apply that all over the skin. Next, I'm going to color correct. I have to color correct because if I don't, your girl's gonna look like a big raccoon, and that ain't cute. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Liquid Glow with my Nars foundation and I'm going to mix that together. I've been loving this combo lately. I know that in my last couple of videos, I've been using the Drunk Elephant Bronzing Serum. But if you have a liquid glow, you could pretty much get the same effect. And I'm just going to blend this all together. I know this looks like a lot of product, and that's because it is. I just love the way my skin looks when I do this. It just looks damn near flawless. Now taking my KKW concealer in the number 11, and I'm going to apply that everywhere I want to highlight. I am going to place that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and above my lips. And I normally don't ever place it in my forehead because I always get like a weird texture there. It doesn't matter what kind of concealer I use, that just always happens to me. So highlighting on my forehead is a dub. Now I'm going to set that all in place with my favorite my favorite translucent powder. This is the Mercier powder. It is the best. I've had this powder for over a year now and I still have so much product left. I freaking love this powder. I definitely recommend it. Moving on to contour, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Contour, and I am going to use this Morphe brush. I can't remember the number of it, but I will have it down below. I actually want to try out a new contour product. I've been looking at the KKW single shadows. Her contour kit looked too orangey in my opinion, but now that she's come out with like some single ones, I definitely want to check them out. Now this is an OG favorite. This is MAC Peaches blush. I've been using this blush for years. This is like my second one. I can't stop using this blush. It's just a classic. Now it's time to glow. It's time to add that highlight. I'm going in with this Carli Bybel. Oh, I meant to say Carli. Sorry, Carli. Carli highlight. This is from her deluxe palette. At first, I mixed these two highlights, but then once I put it on my nose, I realized how dark it was. So I'm not as tan. So I just decided to use the first shade, and I am just here for that glow. Oof. We're gonna top that off with a little bit of Max Fix Plus. You already know. For lips, I decided to go dark, and of course my phone won't stop ringing. This is Dose of Colors Chocolate Wasted, and then I'm going to highlight right on top. I forgot how much I like this highlight, so I'm actually going to add this into my lower lash line and in my inner corners. I almost forgot what I was gonna say. I'm so sorry. I'm like stumbling on my words. Listen, doing this voiceover is not easy today. So I'm basically just adding this highlight everywhere because it's just that bomb. And now it's mascara time, and I'm going to show you my large eye. Then I'm going to set that all in place with this Miliani spray because we need to be snatched. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out.